Today's cybersecurity lesson: more secure browsers. When you go online, can spying eyes see what you're doing? Most standard browsers make it easy to track your every move. "I don't have anything to hide" is not really the answer here. You deserve to live your life without feeling like you're in a fishbowl. Making the right choice of internet browser can help. Two popular options are Brave and Tor, but there are many to choose from. You should look for one that has features you will benefit from. Here are some considerations to start with. Security features such as malware protection and strong encryption protocols. Privacy settings that will allow you to control which information is collected, stored, and shared. Open source browsers are transparent, and their code can be examined by security experts to identify and resolve any vulnerabilities. Regular updates will ensure that security issues are promptly dealt with. This means you may be looking for a reputable vendor with a sizable developer team, but sometimes a strong user base can provide community support to deal with security-related concerns. A side benefit to using a more secure browser is that you won't be chased around the internet by ads. You looked at a lawnmower last month. Here are 30 to choose from. Really, how many lawnmowers does one person need? The answer is 0. Plant a native wildflower garden instead. But buy your seeds using a secure internet browser, unless you want to hear about making tea from chamomile and nettles for the rest of the year. To get more help leveling up your cybersecurity, subscribe to Socratica.